What's going on, everybody? My name is Eli and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are continuing on with the day in the life at other dental schools in the United States. In this video, we have student Dr. Alexis Randall, who is a D3 at the Medical University of South Carolina. This vlog is very special because Alexis actually edited this herself and she did a fantastic job. I mean, watching the video on my own, I felt like I was watching a YouTube video on someone else's channel. And Alexis did a fantastic job with her voiceovers, her edits. I truly enjoyed this vlog, but this one is really great. Alexis does a great job talking about Medical University of South Carolina, which has other medical schools around, and I think that's really important because it allows for a nice interprofessional relationship between other doctors and future doctors. So please, if you do nothing else, please make sure you give Alexis a thumbs up for all the hard work she put into editing this vlog and adding another one to the dental school playlist of a day in the life at other dental schools in the United States. Again, if you're new to the channel, my name is Eli and I'm a fourth year dental student at Boston University Henry M. Goldman School of Dental Medicine, and on this channel I make dental school vlogs as well as videos with pre-dent advice. So if that's something you're interested in, please make sure you subscribe, like the video, share the channel with anyone else that might find it interesting. My goal is to cover a day in the life at every dental school in the United States before I finish my residency in 2027. So if you are interested in doing a day in the life at your dental school, please fill out the Google form that is in the description of this video. This is nothing new. If you're new to the channel, you can check out the other videos in the playlist. I don't want to make this intro too long. Alexis did a great job. Please give her a thumbs up. Without further ado, tune into Alexis's day in the life at MUSC College of Dental Medicine. Thanks, Alexis.
Hey everyone, my name is Alexis. I'm a third-year dental student at MUSC, and I'm going to take you along with me today. As a third-year student, my schedule kind of depends each day based on when I have clinic or classes for the day. Since I don't have class this morning, I woke up today around about 7:30 because clinic starts at 9 and goes till about 4 p.m. If I had class in the morning, our classes would start at 8 a.m., which means I would probably be waking up closer to 6:30. So I start the day with my morning routine. While I'm getting ready, I'll tell you a little bit about me and how I came to MUSC. So I'm actually an out-of-state student. So I'm originally from Maryland and I graduated from the University of Maryland. I chose to come to MUSC because of the faculty and the supportive nature of the students, as well as the digital dentistry program that we have. Also, MUSC is located right in Charleston, South Carolina, which is a beautiful location. I have family that are in the area, so I grew up as a kid coming down here, so it's a very special place to me. Right now I'm finishing packing up my lunch for the day, and then I'm also getting ready and packing up my bag. Our colored scrubs indicate which year you are, so we have this seal blue color as third years, and we keep the same color throughout our 4 years. So now I'm heading to campus. Most students tend to live about a 15 to 20 minute max drive from school just to make sure they're able to get into classes and clinics at a reasonable time. MUSC has a housing portal that helps students get matched with roommates and available rentals in the area. One thing that makes MUSC unique is that we're a medical university. So on campus, we have students from different colleges such as nursing, medicine, pharmacy, and more. Right now, we're heading into the dental clinic. Today, I have 2 appointments, one in our fixed restoration clinic to do a crown, and then the second appointment is in the oral surgery clinic to do an extraction. In terms of clinical experience, we are in the clinic all 4 years. During your first and second year, you are assigned clinic blocks to assist the third and fourth year students and also to gain more clinical experience. In your second year, you will treat patients for the first time. This is one experience that I want to highlight because it really drew me to MUSC. In our second year, we see patients in the period clinic to do prophies, also known as cleanings. This really helps students get acclimated to the clinic and allows students to be more comfortable as a clinician before getting into the third and fourth year, which I am now, and soon to be a fourth year. At MUSC, we are assigned patients and do not have to bring in our own patients. In your third and fourth year, you have rotations throughout the clinic and also a few clinics that are not on the main campus. So I'm all done with clinic, and now I'm going up to the student lounge to eat my lunch. This is a place place where students can hang out in between clinic appointments. We have a ping pong table, vending machine, fridge to keep your lunch in, a locker room, and also a beautiful view of downtown Charleston. I brought my lunch today, however, sometimes I don't always have time to pack a lunch or feel like treating myself a little bit. So we do have a full cafeteria in the hospital that has options such as Chick-fil-A, grab-and-go lunch, salads, sushi, pizza, honestly, you name it. The hospital cafeteria is also open late night, which is great for when you're studying at the library, which we're passing right now, but we'll go in there a little bit later. But right now we're gonna go into the sim lab. This is where you'll spend a lot of time in your first and second year, but right now we actually have some of our second year students here. Hey y'all.
Hey.
Do you wanna tell us who you are?
Hey y'all, my name's Morgan Lewis. I'm a D2 here at MUSC.
My name's Erica Smith. I'm also a D2.
What college did y'all go to?
I went to Hampton University.
Hey.
The real HU.
Not Howard?
Not too much alike.
It's a lander.
Period. We love that. Why did you choose dentistry?
I chose dentistry because I knew I wanted to be in a career where I could serve people and help others, and this is a lifetime career of service.
I just really like teeth.
We love
They're
that.
fascinating.
They are. You learn so much more once you're actually here. Why did y'all choose MUSC?
I chose MUSC due to how supportive the faculty is, and also just us as a community. I feel like everyone is kind of like a big family, and I got that from Hampton, and I knew that was something that I wanted to transition to dental school because support is everything.
I really think Charleston is such a nice place to go to dental school at, and then also a lot of the dentists I shadowed went to MUSC, so I knew it would be a good place to go.
Awesome. Okay, and then tell me your favorite moment from D2.
My favorite moment from D2, non-school related, again, I'm talking about the people. So we do like this annual Galentine's, and Galentine's is something that I always look forward to.
I really like that we get into the clinic early here. We've already had our first patient, and we'll be in the clinic more this summer.
Okay, what are you working on?
I am doing a veneer prep over here.
Oh,
Tooth
period.
number 9.
You got it. What are you working on?
I'm working on operative. We have a practical tomorrow.
Oh. So I actually came into the sim lab today to work on my endo tooth. As third year students, we do have to practice still in sim lab so that we can maintain our skills. So that is what I'm working on today.
I interviewed them too.
Why has it not come out? Well, I know.
See, when I'm like coming in.
Huh? Did you not? But like, it was good. That's. Like, yeah, look at it. I got us the good life.
Stand here like you crazy.
And then you have to do endo again.
smashed it.
I'm wrapping up in sim lab now and cleaning up. Okay, and now I'm all done with my tooth. Now that I'm done with sim lab, I'm gonna study for the boards for the day. But before I get started with that, I'm gonna need an afternoon coffee to get me through this. We have this coffee shop that's right off campus. It's absolutely great. They also have some food options, so I got some food later in this week, and I have my matcha, so I'm ready to go. Our library recently was renovated in the summer of 2022. We have study rooms that you're able to reserve online in advance, which I did so that I can study today. And then there's also other spaces throughout the library that you can study as well. Now that I'm all done with studying, I'm gonna head out for the day. We have some beautiful walkways and spaces throughout campus that are actually absolutely stunning. So I'm walking through the more scenic route today. But the next thing that I'm going to be doing for the day will be going to my workout class, which is about a 5-minute drive away from campus. I prefer taking a workout class because it's easier to schedule a class and put it in my calendar. Otherwise, I'm probably not going to do it. There are plenty of gyms that do offer student discounts, so just make sure you're on the lookout and ask about that. Now, if you don't want to pay for a gym membership, there also is a wellness center on campus that is free for students to go to. There's also intramural sports such as volleyball and basketball, and there's also an outdoor space as well. So I'm coming home for the day, and on a typical night, I would shower, make dinner, and do any tasks that I need to do to prepare for the next day. I typically like to make something that's pretty quick and easy and also meal prep because it's very difficult to make dinner every single day, especially as a dental student. So this is what a typical night looks like for me. However, sometimes we also do have events through different extracurricular clubs that we have on campus, such as ASDA or SNDA. ASDA stands for the American Student Dental Association, and SNDA stands for the Student National Dental Association. Today I'm attending an ASDA event at a local rooftop. Some other events I want to highlight is SNDA's recent event at the Ronald McDonald House, where we made a baked potato bar. Through our chapters SNDA, we also do other volunteer activities. Another great part about MUSC is living in Charleston and being so close to the beach. In the warmer months, students will try to take a study break and come to one of the amazing beaches. We even had a Thanksgiving celebration for all of dental medicine. The last event I want to highlight is our recent ASDA Profi Cup or golf tournament. It was a beautiful day and a great event for students to hang out and play some golf.
I told her stop telling that thing she seen and told her meet me at the Ritz. Let's go. I got baguettes in the back of my ring and I went trying to hit. I told her she gotta run to the team before she can talk to the lit. Before she can talk to the jet.